Let's start with the scary and slowly work our way towards the most horrific traps on the list. Number 9. The exploding motorcycle. During the Vietnam War, motorcycles were strategically placed in cities and villages that were predicted to be invaded by US soldiers. The motorcycles were carefully rigged with explosives, and once a person got on top of the bike to ride it, it would ignite the trap, causing severe damage or even death. Now, I can't imagine that this tactic worked for very long, as there are only a few sources online that even mention it. Either way, I'm sure that they figured out that stealing and riding a bicycle was probably the better choice.